Alrighty then, today we will be looking at block components in the timeline. Now, this time we're not going to use project example we've been looking at. So for a change to pace, we will be looking at my project for a better understanding and also clarity of the array of features that one has at their disposal. And let us begin. Now, towards the bottom here, you have timeline. And then upon clicking the arrow here, you have block components. And if need be, let's say if you would want to have certain features happen sooner rather than later, you can do so. And you can move them in any way you would like to your choosing. Now, to go further into these animations, let us go to the animation icon right here. And what we can do is that you can not only have your images and or agents show up in different poses and styles or reappear in different ways, but you can also do the same thing for your text too. And so here you can do jello, bounce even. Just make your learning feel a little more immersive for your learners. And again, let's say if you want certain animations to happen later, you can do so that way. And on top of that, there's also alignment and spacing, which we will go into. Now you can do auto layout, or you can have padding to ensure that you can have emphasis on certain components of your slides. Or you can do the auto layout, which would help your learning show up, or your learning slides show up a little bit better when you go on desktop mode, tablet, or mobile portrait. And then, of course, we have components where you can adjust to your liking. And you can, of course, design options. You can make it appear as such. To the side, or like this. You know, maybe we can do it like this for now. You know what? Let's do it this way. Anyways, moving forward, I also wanted to touch upon accessibility options, where you can add text, you can have your special agent in different languages, or rather different languages to your liking, especially for international learners. You can have different poses, which would of course adjust your timeline as such, as you can see right here. And then you have text, where you can hide from screen reader or not. Just a range of options to help out your learners. And also too, there's also captions, which you can add in post, and so on and so forth. So yeah, once again, just wanted to touch up on that. And for the next lesson, we'll be on triggers and variables. And I want to do so on this learning module, just so you know where I'm getting at with the structure of my learning modules. All right? Anyways, I'm looking forward to the next lesson with y'all. Talk to you later.